Why every long-term disability policyholder with a subjective medical condition like migraines should be keeping a symptom and functionality log. Disability insurance carriers hate subjective medical condition claims. That could be a claim arising out of fibromyalgia, migraines, balance, coordination issues. Doesn't matter. They hate those kinds of claims. They hate them because it's difficult to diagnose. There's not always objective testing or evidence of disability. But worse yet, they hate these claims because there's no objective evidence of restrictions and limitations. The doctor's got to rely on your honesty and your credibility in rendering an opinion that you're unable to work or that you have certain restrictions and limitations that would prevent you from working. One of the most effective ways to bolster your credibility is to submit to a disability insurance carrier an affidavit from you, your friends, or family members, or all of the above, that talks about what your symptoms are and how your symptoms impact your ability to function. Now, I think this should be crafted with an experienced ERISA disability attorney such as myself, but let me give you an example. Let's say that you have migraine headaches, and as a result of your migraine headaches, you have to get into a cool, dark room for at least 30 to 60 minutes a couple times a week. You want to be keeping what's called a migraine headache log that talks about the symptoms that you're having, the frequency of those symptoms, and how those symptoms impact your ability to function. And you can use that as a way of creating an affidavit. Now, you don't want to exaggerate, but you want to be able to say, my migraines start at about this time of day, they start at this part of my head, they go over the back of my head, I have problems with my vision, I have dizziness, nauseousness, and as a result, on February 1st, I had to go in the cool, dark room for 3 hours. And when I got out of the cool, dark room, I felt like I'd been run over a Mack truck. So I actually had to take a nap for another couple hours because I felt wiped out. You also want to get an affidavit that corroborates those events from family members who can say, hey, I'm her husband, she suffers from migraines of this frequency, they will last on average this length. This is what she has to do to control the migraine or try to deal with the migraine. I've watched her have migraines. She vomits, she has these symptoms, blah, blah, blah. So the idea is to corroborate not only what you have documented in your migraine log or your pain log or whatever log you're keeping, so that there is consistency between what you say and the other person has to say. So I think using in the right cases and in the right way, both a diary and corroborating affidavits and statements can be key to bolstering your credibility and the basis of your claim. Well, why do I say that? Because disability insurance companies, either directly or indirectly, are attacking your credibility and attacking your symptoms and your functionality, saying that your symptoms are not well documented or your symptoms aren't severe enough to interfere with your activity of daily living, much less interfere with your ability to work. So you can expect that kind of attack from the get-go. So be prepared and think about the use of these diaries and affidavits. More importantly, if your claim has been delayed, denied, or even terminated, it's time to contact me because I can help you get the disability benefits you deserve regardless of where you live in the United States. When you're applying for benefits, I'm going to be working with you to corroborate your medical evidence with affidavits as needed. And certainly if your claim has been denied, I'm going to be in there developing the necessary evidence to prove your entitlement to benefits. In an ERISA case, the appeal is the trial of your case. And so you've got to develop the necessary medical evidence that will help you get the disability benefits you deserve. And in the right case, a affidavit from yourself, family members, or friends can make the difference. So call me today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation. I look forward to helping you get the disability benefits you deserve.